Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Wasim Magri. Today we will be learning how to insert a node at a specific position in the list. I will be creating a node like this. Assume that we are supposed to insert a node at position 3. So it will be having two fields, the data field and the link to the next node. So our goal here is to make that very link field, the link field of the node with address 200 to point to the newly created node, and we want the newly created node's link field to point to the node with address 300. So we'll be writing a function like this: void insert at specific positions. Okay, length name. We'll be receiving position this time and the element to be inserted. Then I will declare structure pointer structure node start temp start t. I will explain everything. Okay, nothing to worry about. Then we'll be declaring a variable which will be useful in running a loop also. So we'll be assigning the address of head to the t is equal to head. So what I have done here, I have created a pointer namely is t, and I have, let us name it t, and I made it to point to what head pointers is also pointing to the first node now here. Okay, there we go. So we are supposed to insert a node here. So first of all, we'll be decrementing the position. I will explain you later why. For I is equal to 1, I less than position, I plus plus, then we will be saying simpler, t is equal to t of next. Let's trace the code now. What I have done here, let me explain every bit. Position entered by the user was 3, but we decremented the position by 1 and the position remained to be 2. Then we set t is equal to 100 and I was initially 1, and after the execution of the loop for the first time we said t is equal to t of next. t जहाँ पे point कर रहा है उसका next जो है वो t में डालो. Now t becomes 200. Now I is equal to 2, so the condition is false. 2 is not less than 2. So what we were supposed to do here, t is now pointing to this 200. Okay, very easy. T is pointing here 200. And guess what, t of next is 300. We will put t of next to here. Let me show you how. I will say temp of next is equal to temp of next, that very thing. Let the data entered by the user be 20. We'll enter it later on. Temp of next is equal to, we say t of next. t जहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है, t इसको पॉइंट कर रहा है, इसका नेक्स्ट ये है. t of next मीन्स t of next ये 300 है, 300 यहाँ पे डालो. ओके, सो वी एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड दैट वेरी लिंक. अब हमारा काम ये है कि यहाँ पे से इरेज करें और न्यूली क्रिएटेड नोड का एड्रेस इसमें डालें. लेट द एड्रेस ऑफ द न्यूली क्रिएटेड नोड बी, लेट इट बी 4500. okay, so we will say t of next is equal to temp. simple. t जहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है उसके नेक्स्ट में डालो temp. okay, we erased the t here. There we go, and we put the temp here. Temp is 4500. So we are done. We are done. We have actually done our work. So let me Let's print the message. /n inserted successfully /n. Okay, I'm supposed to modify the main program as well, so we'll say okay, enter 3, enter 4 inserted beginning, enter 5, enter 5 the insert at specific position. Okay, spacing pause. Okay, so we're supposed to have a case 5 here. Okay, let me write it quickly. Case 5, printf, enter the position and the data. Okay, then we'll be having scanf %d %d $pos %d. D is already declared, sorry. Insert at specific. Okay, well, let me check the name of the function. It was specific pos. Let me pass the position, let me pass the element, let me break it. Okay, so we'll be defining the prototype as well. Okay, prototype is the interface to our function, actually telling the compiler what the function is receiving and what the function is returning. If returning void. Okay, everything is clear now. I think we need to declare a variable pos here. Okay, let me save the program, let me execute it, compile and run. Okay, I think everything is enter data 1 2, enter data 3, let me display and let me enter one more item and 2 to display 1 2 3 4, and we are supposed to enter data at the third position. We are supposed to enter data here. Let me call my function insert at specific position, and we'll be saying position 3 and the data to be 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, oh, it's not working. What's the problem? Let me check it out quickly. We'll set t is equal to t of next. Okay, temp of next is equal to t of next, t of next is equal to temp. What's the problem? Oh, sorry, we forgot to actually allocate the memory. I'm extremely sorry. Node star, I'm silly. I can't believe it. I was like, why it isn't the word temp of data is equal to e. So I had done actually. Please forgive me for that very silly mistake. 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 to display. Everything is looking fine, and we're supposed to insert at specific position, let the position be 3 and the data be 3 3 3 3 3, and we're supposed to display. Everything's working absolutely fine.